Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to YouTube channel link to TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app. Okay, then tap on profile icon. Okay, then tap on three line option. Okay, sorry, then tap on edit profile. Okay, then tap on links add option. Okay, then click, then tap on YouTube add option, then continue, allow, then network issue, then logging YouTube channel, then add YouTube. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.